Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the battery status on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to settings by pressing on the settings icon on the bottom left. Then we're going to go to power, and then we're going to go to battery status, so this bar right here. And here we have our battery status. So we have currently 34%, and it's about 5 hours and 50 minutes left of usage. We can also check battery usage, so this like data of the battery usage and battery usage from last full charge, so how much we've used the book since the last charge. And then battery manager, so the battery manager detects when apps are draining battery, and you'll have the option to restrict those apps, restrict background actions and stuff like that. So we also have battery percentage to turn it on and off, and that's pretty much everything you can do in this tab right here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.